If you've ever found yourself searching for ways to calm your mind instantly and naturally, you're in the right place. Today, we're delving into 5 practical and effective techniques that will teach you how to calm anxiety attacks. These hacks are simple and will help you know how to reduce anxiety immediately and naturally. Stick around as I also will share with you a tool for how to reduce stress and anxiety fast. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Stacey Paulson, health and business coach, mother of 6, and natural wellness advocate. If you love learning about safe, effective, and affordable natural solutions you can use right in your home, then hit the subscribe button and bell notification right now. Yes, right now. First up, we're going to delve into the incredible impact of deep breathing techniques. And this isn't just anecdotal. Scientific studies have shown that profound effects of intentional breathing on our well-being. So research has explored the effects of deep breathing, like inhaling for a count of 4 and then holding for 4 and exhaling for 4. It turns out this isn't just about breathing. It's a powerful tool for calming your nervous system. Studies have found that diaphragmatic breathing positively influences heart rate variability and key indicators of your body's stress response. But here's what's truly fascinating. This technique isn't merely a method for relaxation. It's a way to regain control when anxiety strikes. Another study published in the International Journal of Science and Research that deliberate and slow breathing offers a powerful means to manage stress and anxiety. So let's put this knowledge into practice. Inhale for 4, hold for 4, and exhale for 4. Feel the rhythm, and with each breath, recognize the science-backed power you have to influence your nervous system positively. So number 2, now let's transition our focus to something truly soothing and natural, herbal tea. Beyond just being a comforting beverage, studies have indicated that certain herbal teas are great for calming those anxiety attacks. Consider incorporating chamomile, lavender, or lemon balm teas into your routine. Research such as a study published in the Journal of Advanced Nursing has suggested that chamomile tea contains compounds that may bind to the same brain receptors as anti-anxiety medication. This could potentially contribute to the calming effect many individuals experience after sipping on a cup of tea. Similarly, lavender tea has been a subject of interest. A study published in the International Journal of Psychiatry in Clinical Practice found that inhaling the aroma of a lavender essential oil and consuming lavender tea were associated with reducing anxious feelings. Lemon balm tea has been shown to contribute to mood improvement and increase calmness. So when you brew a cup, take a moment to savor the aroma and let these teas' calming properties work their magic. And number 3, now if you're not in a place to brew a cup of tea and you feel the stress and anxious feelings coming on, here's a tool that you can use anytime, anywhere, if you're prepared and have it on hand. Let's delve into the captivating world of aromatherapy, where essential oils emerge as powerful allies in the pursuit of one of the fastest ways to impact your mood and emotions. Amidst the diverse range of essential oils, certain ones have demonstrated remarkable effects on how to reduce anxious feelings naturally and quickly. Copaiba, derived from the resin of the Copaifera trees, is one such oil. Research published in the International Journal of Psychology and Psychological Therapy suggests that copaiba oil may possess certain properties contributing to the easing those feelings that you get when you get worked up and fostering a sense of calm. Then enter frankincense, another exceptional essential oil with a rich history of traditional use. Studies such as those published in the Journal of Psychopharmacology have explored the potential calming effects of frankincense, making it a valuable tool in promoting relaxation. Then there's the Adaptiv blend, a harmonious combination of lavender, coriander, wild orange, and other essential oils. The unique synergy of these oils is designed to promote relaxation and alleviate stress. A study published in the Journal of Alternative and Complementary Medicine found that the aroma of a blend containing lavender and coriander essential oils was effective in reducing anxious feelings in participants. These 3 oils have been ones I most recommend, and with over 150,000 customers worldwide, I've seen incredible results. So whether you're reaching for copaiba, the Adaptiv blend, or the timeless frankincense, know that you're harnessing the potent benefits of essential oils, backed not only by traditional wisdom, but also by contemporary scientific exploration. If you're new to the essential oil world or wondering how to get better results, grab my free essential oils guidebook that will help you learn how to use them effectively, or come and join one of my weekly Natural Solutions workshops that's online. I'll link up those in the description. Remember, it's okay to take a moment for yourself and prioritize your mental well-being. If you found this video helpful, you'll probably find the next video on the best oil diffusers that help with physical and emotional health. Please give this video a thumbs up and hit the bell notification and subscribe to get access to safe, effective, and affordable wellness solutions.